Hello everyone and welcome to House. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of the residential project Shobha Inizio by Shobha Realty located in Jetbai Wadia Road, Parvit, Mumbai. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project. To my right is the actual land parcel, and you can also have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. In this teaser, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location and connectivity, amenities, traffic area, booking process, launch discount offers, and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now let's talk about the project overview. This project is spread across the land parcel of 2.11 acres that will have one tower with two wings of basement, ground plus 68-story residential floors having 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences. And now, let's talk about the location and connectivity. This project is located opposite the Arab restaurant, from where Atal Setu is at a distance of 2 minutes, Eastern Freeway is at a distance of 2 minutes, upcoming Vandi City Connector is at a distance of 3 minutes, and you have Parel Railway Station at a distance of 5 minutes from the project. And now, speaking of amenities, this project has 30 plus amenities with swimming pool, gym, clubhouse, lush landscape garden, energetic outdoor arena, indoor games, kids play area, and many more amenities within the project. Now, let's talk about the configurations and the carpet areas. As said, this project has 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences with 2 BHK in the carpet area of 847 square feet and 3 BHK in the carpet area of 1021 to 1225 square feet. And now, let's talk about the booking process. The booking windows for this project are now open. Meanwhile, the clients can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project overview along with the plans and pricing, and then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount of 5 lakh for 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences. This token will come with multiple benefits like exclusive launch discounts, which means token holders will be given exclusive launch discounts over and above others. Second, preference in inventory selection, which means the token holder will be called first to select the preferable inventory. And last but not the least, 100% fundable, which means if the client doesn't want to proceed for any reason, this token will be 100% refundable. So everyone, this was the teaser of the residential project Shobha Inizio by Shobha Realty located in Jetbai Wadia Road, Parel, Mumbai.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK, and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.